That ski's almost 200 horsepower.
I know. I have to.
She ain't even touched the gas yet. She ain't even touched the gas.
She's gonna be scared too, so it's gonna.
Watch it.
I
hope she doesn't hurt herself.
She won't. I don't think so.
The whole time. It's hard to hold this.
She's getting far away, so
That's what I would do.
Don't go into the sun. Turn. There you go. I would have seen her. Yeah, she's gonna fall over, then turn and gas. It's gonna be
Come
right
in.
out of her
She's
head.
gonna say I'm done.
You can ride them without even getting wet.
I know. If you do it gentle.
Down on this.
She's just riding circles.
I don't blame her.
Cruising around pretty good on that one. That one's a whole foot shorter than what she was.
Yeah. I'm surprised she can ride as well as she can. Hello. I know. Get out of my camera.
It's gonna say hi. Hi.
Thank you.
Hey. What?
she's done. Maybe not.
Hi.
No, I think she's coming in.
She ain't even getting any gas.
That's why she's coming in. It's safe and it's good.
Nope. What do you do?
See, my fingers are not steady.